Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Yes, I'm gonna do some Jamaican oxtail. Aye, yeah. So guys, let's get straight into this video. I have lots of seasoning over here. Frozen scallion, 1 onion, scotch bonnet pepper, my blended seasoning, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, thyme, my garlic paste, my ginger paste, all-purpose seasoning, Caribbean spice and roasted garlic, and this one is some garlic, pepper, and herbs, and that's what I'm gonna use to season it up. Okay, I'm not gonna add any salt because all of these seasoning full of salt. Okay, and over here this is the oxtail. It was in the freezer, all right guys, and I took it out and I washed it off in some lime. But before I did that, I went ahead and I cut off some of the excess fat off it. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna just cut my onion and my pepper and then I'll come back. We're gonna start off with a tablespoon of my garlic paste. Oh yeah, lots of garlic. And this is my ginger paste. I'm gonna add a tablespoon as well. And this is my blended seasoning. I'm gonna go in 2 tablespoons, something like so. And I will leave a link to that. I thought I was doing this darn video, guys, but I guess I paused it and I didn't unpause it back. But anyhow, I'm gonna carry on. All right guys, I think I lose some reason, right? Yes. I'm getting old, guys. So basically everything I show you I add. Okay, I'm just gonna reverse it. I add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 tablespoon of paprika, about 2 teaspoons of this Caribbean spice and roast garlic, and then I add another 2 teaspoons of this one, 1 tablespoon soy sauce. I add 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. I add some frozen green onion or scallion, and 1 onion and some thyme, and I put some pepper in it. Few tablespoons of browning, 1, 2. We're gonna go in and we're gonna rub up everything. Okay, I'm gonna let this marinate for about 4 hours. You can leave it overnight. And I'm gonna put some olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. I forgot to put my pimento allspice, guys, so you can put the grains or you can put the powder. Put a little bit. Give this just a little mix. Okay, all right, and then I'm gonna fry it up and then I'm gonna pressure it half an hour to 45 minutes. I'm just gonna burn 2 pieces of garlic in the oil. I'm not gonna take the seasoning with it. I'm just gonna take only the meat. So you're gonna shake them off. All right, we're gonna fry it up a little bit. Okay, just shake it off. Shake. So just go ahead and fry this up a little bit. Give it a few minutes, then you stir, few minutes and stir. Alright. Can you see the goodness? Alright, I'm boiling some hot water, guys, because you don't want to put cold water on it. You want to put hot water, okay? Alright guys, I think it fry up somewhat now. Now we're gonna pressure it, okay? My kettle with my boiling water, and I'm gonna add some few cups well, okay guys, till it covers. So about 4 to 5 cups right there. put a little bit more. There. You can take it off half an hour and check it, or you can let it go to an hour. Depends on your kind of meat. Okay, sometimes the meat is a little bit soft, sometimes it's tough. Anyhow, guys, I'm gonna pressure this for about I would say 45 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back. The meat almost gonna fall off the bone, but not yet. Okay, so just right. So 40 minutes to 45 minutes, that's good enough. Okay, so I'm gonna cut up some vegetable. I'm gonna put carrots, bell peppers, and I'm gonna come back. I transfer it into a regular frying pan, and this is my seasoning. Guys, this process is gonna take like 10 minutes. Okay, so check out the goodness there, guys. All right, I have some bell peppers, tomatoes, and a little bit more scallion or green onion, and I'm gonna put that. I'm gonna put 1 Maggi cube in it. I'm also gonna add half of carrot, guys. I'm not gonna add too much, okay? Just half. I'm cooking some rice. I have about 3 cups of rice, and I'm gonna put a little bit of my garlic, minced garlic here, or garlic paste. I'm gonna put about a teaspoon of my blended seasoning. I'm gonna put some green onion or scallion, and about 2 teaspoons of extra virgin. 1, 2, and a little bit of salt, about half teaspoon. And that's it, guys. Just some regular rice I'm cooking, okay? And I'm gonna let this steam. Alright, guys, I'm back. And I'm gonna give this a little stir. Look at the goodness, guys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. 2 to 3 tablespoons of ketchup. All right, I'm gonna give this a little mix. Now I'm gonna add a can of butter bean. If you don't have butter bean, you want to put some like Irish potato, okay? This is gonna give it the body. See, it can't come out, I can't, guys. This is gonna give it the body too. Mix this in it and give it like 3 to 4 minutes, and it's good. Okay, guys. And it's all done. You see it already, guys? Look there. And remember to taste it. If you want more salt, you put more salt. Okay, guys? Some people cook it and put like a little teaspoon of sugar or so, optional. And you can just leave it with the ketchup. But look what I put, guys. This is a sweet sauce. I'm going to put like 2 teaspoons. Try it like this, guys, and tell me how you think. Authentic Jamaican oxtail with some butter bean. Let me tell you if you know how it's cooked, okay? See? Look at that, guys. You see falling off the bone? You see that? You see that, guys? Moving away from the bone. And you know it's ready, okay? Soft, soft, little guys. Look at that. All right, let's take a look at the rice. Shelly belly, this, you know, guys. Shelly belly. Stir this up. Oof, oof. And I'm gonna give it about 2 more minutes, 2 to 4 more minutes, and it's done. Shelly belly, yeah. I'm gonna fry some plantain. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil, like 2 tablespoons, not much. And this is my big juicy plantain. Core bottom, core top, or core top, core bottom, core down the sides, and I peel it. Okay. I was just waiting for the pot to hot. Turn these over. Alright guys, we're going to take them out and put them. I have a paper towel here. Well, 2. I double it up. And I'm going to put them over here. Can you see that? Yeah. So you want your plantains to look okay, guys? You better come out good. Oh, there. Yes. I'm going to put some right here. I'm just going to put some plantain. Like right at the front. Put about 4 pieces. Something like so. This is the final result, alright? Good Jamaican oxtail, plantain, rice, and some veggie. Alright? That's it. Wow. Yummy. And there's more over there. Alright guys, love upon me and I love upon you.